Today, let's talk about Neville's powerful and evergreen concept, living in the end. How you can live in the end and how you can manifest the life of your dreams by simply living in the end. So, hello everyone, I am Neha Kumar. I am your manifestation bestie because I love making manifestation easy for you. So, let's dive in. Living in the End is basically one of Neville's most famous manifestation lectures, where he literally teaches his people the secret to manifestation. See, he says creation is finished. You can never create something because creation is finished. What you can do is manifest it in your own reality. What this means is that everything that you desire already exists. In fact, it is very highly likely that what you desire, other people have managed to manifest it for themselves as well. And even if you desire something that nobody has manifested it today, that is available regardless of whether somebody else has manifested it or not. So it essentially means that whatever you desire, whatever it is that you desire, it is already available to you, and you have to get into the state of manifesting it in your life. There is nothing in this world that you cannot be, do, or have, but you must manifest it. You must bring it from the 4D or the 5D into the ethers, from the ethers into the physical form. That is your job. That is what you must do. And that can be accomplished by living in the end. See, with manifestation, you manifest what you want by becoming the person who has what you want. There is this quotation about manifestation that you do not manifest what you want, you manifest who you are. Meaning, you can never expect to manifest something that you are not. In fact, you should not expect yourself to manifest something that you are not internally. It's what inside you that counts, not what's outside of you. So if you absolutely want to manifest your desires, it becomes your incessant job to convince yourself to start living from the end, to start acting like the person who already has what they desire. So let's talk about how you do this. And what does it even mean to live from the end? See, what it means to live from the end is that you are thinking thoughts, you are taking actions, and you are behaving like the person who already has their desire. Now, you do not have to go out into the 3D world and take a single step. If you want to be rich, you do not have to go and spend money. If you want something, you don't have to go out there and tell everyone, oh, I already have it. That's most likely going to backfire. But what you have to do is to maintain an attitude of the person who has their desire. And when you're having your own mental conversations in your head, those conversations should always come from a place of you already having your desire. It's about not having doubts. It's about not doubting the universe's ability to give you what you want because creation is finished. What you want is already created and you are just manifesting it. There is nothing that's impossible. So, how do you go about living in the end? How you do that is first of all, follow a strict mental diet. I have a video on mental diet, I will link it up here. But you have to follow a strict mental diet. Do not let thoughts of doubt, of fear, of worry, which are time wasting thoughts in my opinion, do not let thoughts of doubt, fear, worry come into your mind. If you've fallen down a rabbit hole, that's fine. You can just sleep on it, go to bed, go to sleep if you can, and when you wake up, you'll find out that you've calmed down and you can begin again. But do not dwell on the negative thoughts for a long period of time. Have a strict mental diet and continue robotically affirming for your desires. Continue imagining how your life would be like. What are the sort of things that you would do once you already have your desire? What places would you go? What would you feel? Your mind is capable of giving you the answers to these questions, but you've got to ask the right questions, you see? So ask this question and stop focusing on the how, the when. That's not our job. That is for the universe to take care of. You can never identify the chain of events that's going to take place for you to get your desire. What you can do is become a vibrational match to your desires. That's literally what this is about. We all vibrate, and there is a concept in science of resonance. So, whatever you resonate with is what must manifest in your life. So, you have to become a vibrational match to your desire. That is living in the end. What this means is absolutely think about you and your life. What would it be like? What would you do? Where would you go? What sort of clothes you would wear? What sort of things you would eat? What sort of people you would be friends with when you already have your desire? You do this. You go to bed every night with that scene of you already living your life, or with that affirmation that you already have your dream life, your desire. You keep repeating it robotically. And there is no power in the world that can stop you from manifesting your desire, because that is absolute. See, there's a law of perpetual transmutation. Science says that energy moves into motion. Energy is neither created nor destroyed, and it's always moving from one form to another. And that applies to you and your life too. If you can form an image in your mind, or if you can robotically affirm for your desire, it must manifest. With this trust, with this confidence, you must know that your desire has to manifest. There is nothing in the world that can stop you, and this is living in the end. So, thank you so much for joining me here today. Press the like button, because I know this video is just literally gonna help you manifest your greatest desires. Comment Master Manifester, subscribe if you're new to my channel. If you want my 1:1 guidance, check the description box for all the details, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.